In this video, we will be talking about how to share YouTube video link on your Instagram story. The first thing we're going to do is open our YouTube app. After opening your YouTube app, choose the video that you want to put on your IG story. After you have chosen the video that you prefer, you'll have to click on that video. After clicking on the video, here you'll be able to see the option share on the bottom. Click on the share option. After clicking on the share option, you'll be met with various categories such as copy link, meet live sharing chats, and many more. Click on copy link. After your link has been copied, you go back and open your Instagram app. After you have opened your Instagram app, tap on the profile option that is on the bottom right corner. Here right beside the hamburger option, you'll be able to see a plus sign. Click on it. Here you'll get various options such as reel, post, story, story highlight, live, etc. Click on story. After you have clicked on story, scroll down to the picture that you prefer putting on your story. After you have clicked on the picture, you'll be able to see an option from where you can type your text. We will not be typing any text, so we'll be going back. And on the second, there is a sticker option. Click on it. Here on the sticker option, you'll be able to see various options such as location, mention, hashtags, and many more. Scrolling down, you'll be able to see a category link. Click on it. After clicking on link, paste the link that you have copied from your YouTube. After that, you'll have to click on done. Here you can either choose to post your story publicly or on the close friends list. I will be posting my story on public, so I will be clicking on your story. And after a few seconds, your story will be posted. You can check whether your story is posted or not by clicking on your profile picture. And with that, you have shared your YouTube video link on your Instagram story. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to share your YouTube video link on your Instagram story. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. And have a good day.